If you go back in the back, they even got a frozen food section, okay? They about to put a lot of folks out of business as quiet as kept. This right here is large, plus folks here, they take care of their people, okay?
You buy some? They're on the way. We only have one pair of DLU with yeah, we got Martha Dance tickets. Prince is supposed to be there. That is so, man, that is so cool. And the movie pass, you want to try to pass. Game related, movie pass, and CD. What was I said about a dance? That's the dance.
New Power Generation.
New Power Generation.
Princess Wife.
Princess Wife has a dance company, and it's her first night of the show. You've been surprised.
That'd be nice.
Hey,
Prince would be good.
17.
Come here, though. How you doing, sweetheart? All right, I got some booze for you, okay?
Okay.
Right. You'll love that, okay? Gonna have you bouncing off the wall.
All right.
Are you married?
No.
You take your boyfriend and you're ready.
Okay.
All right, you got some booze, girl.
All right.
What we got? Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, right there, baby. There you go, big fella. There you go, big fella. My man, thanks for coming out, baby. Thanks for coming out. How you doing? What you buying? What you making over there, huh? They got a special on that, huh? How much? You get them all, ain't you? Y'all want some paper towel or some Kleenex? Y'all better hurry up and get them. This lady's buying all of them. What's a number 4, please? You gonna eat it? I eat it. You know I will. My friends over at FX hanging out. Hey, Latour, can we play the game again? Tic-tac, baby? Linda, can we play tic-tac again? You know what we're gonna do, Linda, for this one? Nah, we're gonna get the genuine tickets for tic-tac. We got the genuine ticket. We're gonna let you go play. You got a pink ticket. If you got a pink ticket, we're gonna pick 3 people to play tic-tac-toe. Okay? You gotta have one of these tickets, you know. You gotta have one of these tickets, okay? You gotta have one of these tickets. You're gonna play. You're gonna pick 3 people to play. These genuine tickets. These 3 genuine tickets, okay? Genuine tickets from 105.9. 007, 007. 007. You a contestant. Where you at, 007? 007, how you know they gone? 007, looking for you. 007. 007? No. All right, let me dig again here. 032. 032. You're contestant for the genuine ticket, 032. Where you at? Oh, look at you all in that business, ain't you? What's up, big fella? Hey, big fella, what you put in your hair, man? Baby oil? That head is gleaming, boy. That head is gleaming like Mac tonight. I like that, boy. I can't get my head to shine like that, man. 046.
I got it right here.
Come on, play the game, baby. Come on, get these genuine tickets. Come on, play the game with us, baby. What's your name, baby? Sweetheart, what's your name? That's right. Zero 074. 074. Where you at? 074.
What's your name? You don't think you know the
074. Where you at? Where you with? Where you from? They gone? Stop with speaking for these folks. They know they're in their car, girl. All right, here we go. Another number. Thank you, Linda. 113. Lucky number 113. Where you at? Lucky number 113 in the parking lot. Hey, come on over here, girl. 113, that's it, baby. Come on over here and play this game with us.
Come right over here.
No, are you serious? Man, 16 aisles. Lord have mercy. Hey, we have an after party over here. 086. 08 and a 6 what we're looking for, okay? Who's got 086?
What, trip to Florida?
You have to have a ticket. Plus, we're still registering folks to go to Orlando, Florida. If you want to go to Orlando, Florida, you got to come and register for that too, okay? For the Reebok Challenge, go down there and check out Mickey Mouse and stuff. I need one more contestant. 103. 103. Anybody got 103? Lucky number 103. No. Don't look at me like that. Don't you look at me like that.
My mama want to take.
All right now. 033. I need one more contestant. Come on over here and play this game, young fella. Come on over and play. We got 3 contestants right now.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
All right, so we're going to do it now. Excuse me, just let me get back, please. The first person that gets 2 will get them genuine tickets, okay? You got to get 2, baby. Excuse me, give her plenty of room. Give her plenty of room. You got to get 2, baby. First person that gets 2 will get those tickets for genuine. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me 1 second, please. Play a little game, you can get them genuine tickets. All right, feel free, go ahead and do it, baby. Oh, come on. Oh my God, there you go. State Theater, okay, Friday, October 24th. Hang out Red Ridge, okay? It's gonna be a great time with Genuine Halloween party, baby. It's gonna be up main floor, girl, putting you right there. Genuine gonna ride the pony, baby. All right, wait. No, you go, girl. No. How you doing now, fellas? You all right? Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The next Genuine tickets are given out in 10 minutes, so if you haven't had a chance to go by the store and get a hot dog, we're giving away free hot dogs and pop. I'm gonna go grab me one right quick. Y'all better go grab one. In a minute, there'll be none left. Am I right, Mimic? How you doing? What's your name? What's up, Tennessee? I know that fairly familiar. Nashville, Memphis, Tennessee. Auntie Johnson, all right, for sure.
Sorry.
That's sweet.
How
you doing, girl? That's a bad hat. It's a bad hat. One that you cool, don't you? Yeah. Oh, free ice cream sandwich for the kids and for the adults. Working out a little bit. I got a can of Boost for you. Cool. I got a can of Boost for you, right? That's courtesy of Paula Abdul on 105.9. Jennifer Coleman. I'm so glad you came out today, Jennifer. Making alarms go off, y'all. We having some fun. Denver from Tennessee. FX.
Come on. 01.
All young kids.
060.
DJ up in the house with HP. What's up, HP? The only high school in the city with no windows. I love that's a great school there too. That's a great school. Tony Brown's alumni from downtown. Tony Brown. Hey, what school do you go to? Everybody goes to Roosevelt, man. Oak Park High? What's Oak Park? Cody in the house. That's what Nikki and them from Brownstone graduated. What about you? You in school? How old are you? 7, 8, 9, 10? What school do you go to?
Messenger.
Oh, Lessinger. I know what Lessinger is. Full boy in the house. How old are you, man? 16. What school do you go to? He's serious about his.